Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your new American funding account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in new American funding, login, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as newamericanfunding.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now we're in the official website of New American Funding. Now, to log into your account, tap on the login button which is on the top right corner of your screen. And now you will be facing a form asking for your username and password. So go ahead and type in your username in the text field given for username and type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. You can also check this box that says remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Now, check this box to agree to user terms and privacy policy. If you don't have account in New American Funding, you can create one by tapping on this text that says register your account. Now to log in, all you gotta do is tap on this login button after you're done providing your username and password, and you will be successfully logged into your New American Funding if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. It was this simple. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.